So, before I get started with the pizzas, well, I'm going to be saying a verse.
So, thank you all.
What? John 15:13. Greater love has no man than this, that he laid down his life for his friends.
Amen.
All right. So, thank you.
Thank you.
Tell me what you're getting ready to do.
Now, I'm going to get ready to do the pizzas. And
he's making them with,
Tell him what you're making it out of.
we're going to make it out of garlic, pepperoni, and cheese.
And show them the tortillas.
And tortillas.
Okay. All right, now get started.
Let's get started.
Tell me get ready to get started. I'm going to be putting
I've never put garlic powder on a pizza. Satisfying sound.
Okay, that's fine.
Now, I can't believe we're going to be putting some on the other one.
Yeah, he's using tortilla shells as his crust.
Now we'll be using the pasta sauce.
It's marinara.
Marinara sauce. Now I'll be rubbing them in.
Yeah, this is something quick and easy the kids can do. Halloween coming up, and something quick and easy kids can do.
Now we'll be putting the pepperoni on. Wait, the cheese. It looks good. Of the cheese, baby. It's very cheesy, I guess. Now we'll be doing the other one. Now we'll be putting on the pepperoni. We're going to start from the outside to the middle. We'll be starting from the outside to the end. You have to cover the entire pizza with pepperoni. That should be enough pepperoni for that pizza. Now we be moving on to the
You're
next.
making two? Oh, it's gonna be cheese, okay.
It's gonna be pepperoni. This one's gonna be cheese. And now we're gonna be putting it to the oven. The oven's already baking on 350.
And we'll be back once it's done.
We'll be back once it's done.
Is that enough now?
So we'll be making a calzone for the caramel lady. Now where's the... Yeah.
You gotta get some more of that too.
That should be enough for the calzone. Now we'll be using
Wait a minute, just come.
this. But first, let's pour this on.
She said that's enough.
Now we'll be mixing it in. Now I'll be using the cheese. Mr. Cheese. That should be enough. Now we'll be putting on the pepperoni.
Put that on.
And then I have to fold it and put some here. Now that should be all of them. And then I fold it like this.
And he's making his calzone with tortilla bread.
Now we're gonna fold it. It looks like it's a stuffed calzone. A stuffed pizza calzone.
All right. I'm taking up for Malachi's pizza making. And he's trying to watch his Green Bay football team. So this is the final touches of the this is his pizza, and then this is the cheese.
The calzone.
Huh?
The calzone. That's a cheese pizza. That's his pepperoni, and then this is calzone.
Okay.
That he made.
So this is what Malachi made today. So this is okay. I'll taste one of them for him. It's good. Very good.
This is good. And it ain't hardly no bread, which is fabulous.
So if anyone wants to make one, you won't have a lot of bread by making it with the tortillas. And I'm sure that if you have children or grandchildren, they will enjoy making them. Because they can make it just like they want it. And I sure thank you for watching. And please keep on watching the videos. So this is Miss Lena. I'm doing this for my grandson, Malachi, because he wanted to watch the Green Bay Packers. So he left us stranded. So I'm finishing it out. But it's very good. And it's you all try it, please. And thank you all for all my subscribers and all of my all the ones that have the comments and everybody, all the supporters, subscribers, and everybody. God bless you. Y'all have a blessed Saturday. Because this is football season and it's going to be hard for the kids. They love to watch football games. So I thank you so much. God bless. Have a good day. A good evening. With all my love from Miss Lena's Kitchen. This is coming to you for the final touches of Malachi's pizza for getting ready for football season. Thank you. Bye-bye.